Standard 8 Mathematics, topic number 13, Congruence of Triangle. Student, in last video we completed topic number 12. Today we will see topic number 13, Congruence of Triangle. Welcome student, in 8th Maths, topic number 13, Congruence of Triangle. Student, we had already learned in 7th standard about congruence of segment, line segment, and congruence of angle. When we say that the two lines are congruent, that two line segments are congruent, if the two line segments are congruent, if the measure of both line segments are congruent, then the line segments are said to be congruent. Suppose this segment is AP and this segment is PQ. These two of 3 centimeter. Then we call this as these two line segments are congruent. Also, when the angles are congruent, if the measure of both angles are same, then we say that the angles are congruent. So, similarly we will see congruence of triangle. What is meant by congruence of triangle? Today we will see congruence of triangle. त्रिकोणाची एकरूपता. For this, let's recall first. What are the things we recall? See, this triangle is DEF. In this triangle, I had given here some questions you had learned in the 7th standard. What is the first question? Angle opposite to side DE. See here, side DE is which? This is the side DE. Which one is angle opposite to DE? Angle F. The answer is angle F is opposite to side DE. Then second, side opposite to angle E. See, there is angle E here. Angle E च्या opposite side कोणती आहे? DF. Answer is side DF is opposite to angle E. Then third one, angle included by side DE and DF. See, angle included by side DE and DF. These are the two sides. And which angle is included by these two sides? DE and DF. This is the angle. Which angle is? Angle E. Or you can write as angle EDF. Here also you write angle FX, angle DF. Okay. Next question. Side included by angle E and F. Angle E and F न कोणती साइड इंक्लूड केली आहे? इंक्लूड म्हणजे मध्ये असणारी, दोघांच्या मध्ये इंक्लूडेड. E आणि F च्या मध्ये असणारी साइड कोणती आहे? EF साइड EF is included between angle E and F. And last one, angle adjacent to side DE. साइड DE ला adjacent angle कोणता आहे? Adjacent म्हणजे लगतचा. DE ला लगतचा कोणता आहे? D आणि E. Angle D and angle E are adjacent to side DE. Okay, we had all learned in the 7th standard. Now today we will see what is meant by congruence of triangle. So let's see. To know about congruence of triangle, we will see here one activity. Here, see the figure, triangle PQR and triangle ABC are given. When we see that these two triangles are congruent, we can write this congruent. How we write this? For this, see here I had taken two triangles. This is the triangle PQR and this is the triangle ABC. Now see, in these two triangles, I place PQR in triangle ABC. If I place triangle PQR in triangle ABC, observe it coincides with each other. Here it coincides with each other. एकमेकांना तंतोतंत जुळल्यात का बघा, हे दोन्ही एकमेकांना तंतोतंत जुळलेले आहेत. Both triangles coincide with each other. Here exactly each other. That is, they are congruent. Then we say that these two triangles are congruent. In this activity, we say that, what do we say that, see here. Here vertex P coincides with vertex A. Vertex Q coincides with vertex B. And vertex R coincides with vertex C. Here see these two triangles coincides, means here vertex A coincides with vertex P, vertex B coincides with vertex Q, and vertex C coincides with vertex R. See here. Okay, now see, if I move this, if I take vertex Q on vertex A, if I take vertex Q on vertex A, what happens? See here. These two triangles coincide with each other? No, there is gap. These two triangles does not coincide with each other. Similarly for R, check. For R and A does not coincide with each other. So here only one possibility is A coincides with P, B coincides with Q, and C coincides with R. See here. Okay. So there is only one correspondence in these two triangles. So we can write that it is denoted by A to 1:1 correspondence P, B to 1:1 correspondence Q, and C 1:1 correspondence R. When the two triangles are congruent in this way, we get the congruence, namely as. बघा या करस्पॉन्डन्स मध्ये दोन ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील तर आपण कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल लिहू शकतो याच्यावरनं. वी राइट एज एंगल A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R. ओके, तर ते तंतोतंत जुळतात आपण बघितलेलं आहे. From this, which vertex coincides with each other? A आणि P, Q आणि P, आणि R आणि C हे तंतोतंत जुळतात. ओके, म्हणजे P शी कोणता अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट असणार आहे? A, Q शी कोणता असणार आहे? B, आणि R शी कोणता असणार आहे? अँगल C असणार. सिमिलरली साइड कुठली असते बघा ना. AC ला कोणती असणार आहे? PR, AB ला कोणती असणार आहे? PQ. सेगमेंट और साइड AB is congruent with C. AB is congruent with which segment? PQ. Segment PQ. Segment BC. Where is segment BC? See here BC. BC coincides with QR. Congruent with segment QR. And segment AC congruent with segment C. Here segment AC is here. Okay, this coincides with segment PR. So from this activity we say that for this correspondence these angles are congruent and these sides are congruent. Therefore here we write 1:1 correspondence. Therefore by ABC 1:1 correspondence PQR. From this correspondence, triangle ABC are congruent triangle PQR. There is only this one correspondence. These two triangles are congruent. Why not other? See, when I coincide Q with A, it does not match. Okay, coincide होत नाही ते. Match होतात का perfect नाही. म्हणून फक्त या एकाच करस्पॉन्डन्सनं हे दोन ट्रायंगल काय झालेले आहेत तर कॉन्ग्रुएंट झालेले आहेत. ओके, अंडरस्टँड? सो हियर वी से दॅट the two triangles are congruent when we say that the two triangles are congruent, if they exactly coincide with each other, then we say that the two triangles are congruent. Now see, here two figures are drawn, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here two triangles are formed, drawn. Also see here some identical marks are given. Identical mark म्हणजे काय, एकरूपतेचे चिन्ह दिलेले आहेत. कोणकोणते एकरूपतेचे चिन्ह दिले पाहिजे? सिंगल मार्क येतं म्हणजे काय याचा अर्थ BC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू PR. इथे डबल मार्किंग केलेलं आहे म्हणजे AB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू QP and here AC is congruent to RQ. Here marking is given. This marking is called identical marks. एकरूपतेच्या पुन्हा दिलेले आहेत तिथे. हां, आणखी काय दिले बघा, angle A is congruent with angle Q and angle C is congruent with angle R. These are the given information. And what is the question here? Which of the statement is correct and which is wrong? तिन्ही में कुठलं स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट आहे, कुठलं रॉंग आहे? Students, in NMS also you have such type of question. Which one of the is correct answer? Okay, which alternative is correct? मतलब कुठल्या चार ऑप्शन पैकी तीन ऑप्शन पैकी कुठला करेक्ट आहे? See, first is ABC congruent QPR. From this we does not say that the two triangles are congruent. So we write first identical marks. We write angle first. Angle A. Angle A is congruent with angle. Which angle? Angle Q. Angle C is congruent with angle R. And remaining angle B is congruent with angle P. Because here given 90. Also given sides. Which are the sides here? See, side BC congruent side BC congruent side PR. Okay, side AB congruent to side AB is congruent with QP. And third one, side AC is congruent with QR, is congruent with side QR. So from this, see, now from this you can say that which triangles are congruent. See, angle A ला कोणता आहे? Q. A ला Q आहे का? आहे. B ला P, B ला P आहे. And C R. That is, this statement is correct. Okay. See here, observe. Angle A is congruent with angle Q. C is congruent with R. C is congruent with R. And B is congruent with P. B is congruent with P. So this triangle statement is true. These two triangles are congruent here. Second, C. A is congruent with Q. A is congruent with Q. Correct. C is congruent with R, C is congruent with R, and B is congruent with P, B is congruent with P. So this statement is also true. Now last AB. A is congruent with Q. A is congruent with Q. Wrong. This statement is wrong here. ABC, QPR. So last statement is wrong here. Okay. So here two statements are true and one is the wrong. So in this way we can say that the congruence of triangle. Okay. Now see one more example. In the adjacent figure, parts of triangle are indicated by identical marks. Here see, this is triangle STU and this is triangle XYZ. Here parts of triangles are indicated by identical marks. See, angle S is congruent with angle X, angle T is congruent with angle Z, and angle U is congruent with angle y. Also see sides, about sides. Side SU is congruent with side XY. Side ST is congruent with side YZ. And side TU is congruent with side XZ. Okay. Now here question is identify the one-to-one correspondence of vertices in which the two triangles are congruent and write the congruence in two ways. And second question is state with reason whether the statement triangle XYZ congruent triangle STU is right or wrong. So let's start. See here, by observation we write as S is congruent with X. S is congruent with, see here, S is congruent with X. And T is congruent with Z. And also given U is congruent with Y. So here this is the correspondence given. So by observation we write by STU correspondence XZY. See for S ला कोणता है X, T ला कोणता है Z, T ला कोणता है Z आणि U ला कोणता है Y. U ला कोणता है U ला कोणता है Y, U ला कोणता है Y. Therefore hence here triangle STU congruent triangle XZY is one way. We write this as. In another two ways we have to write. You may write as starting with U, UST congruent triangle Z, UST congruent triangle YXZ also. Also we can write triangle starting with T, TSU congruent triangle ZXY also. We can write this also. We can write this also, okay? So we can write in different ways. Second question, state with reason whether the statement triangle XYZ congruent triangle STU is right or wrong. See here, triangle XYZ congruent triangle STU means, this means XY, side XY is congruent with side ST. See in the figure, side XY is congruent with ST? No. Side XY is congruent with SU here. Okay. So it is wrong. Therefore the statement is wrong. Okay. Understand this question? See the second question. See the figure here. Here identical marks are DB is congruent to DC. AB is congruent to AC. And AD is common. And this angle BAD is congruent with CAD. Angle ABD is congruent with angle ACD. And angle DR 90 degree. What is the question? State the correspondence between the vertices of triangle in which the two triangles are congruent. आपल्या ह्यातला व्हर्टायसेसचा करस्पॉन्डन्स द्यायचा आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये दोन ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट होतात. बघा दोन ट्रायंगल कधी कॉन्ग्रुएंट होणार आहे, आपण व्हर्टायसेसचा करस्पॉन्डन्स बघितलेला आहे. बाय द करस्पॉन्डन्स इन द व्हर्टायसेस द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सेड टू बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो इन दिस which correspondence is given? What is the correspondence? Correspondence between vertices is okay. What is the correspondence here? See, A, angle A is correspondence with angle A. Then angle B, here B is correspondence with angle B correspondence with C. And last C, D is correspondence with D. So by this correspondence the two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles? Therefore, by ABD, correspondence ACD, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So by this correspondence, these two triangles are congruent. So students, today we had seen what is meant by congruence of triangle, how to represent congruence of triangle, what is the one-to-one correspondence between triangle, how to write one-to-one correspondence in triangle, and then how to write the triangles are congruent. Now in next video we will see some test on this correspondence of congruence of triangle. Some test बघणार आहे आपण. We will see some test in the congruence of triangle. Okay, thank you.